Hi guys, I'm Tristan and I'm going to be showing you how to make a mask for COVID-19. You don't need any glue or you don't need to sew at all. So all you need is a handkerchief or any type of cloth and 2 rubber bands. That's all you need. For the handkerchief, make sure it's at least as big as your face. Don't worry if it's not, you can just use a bigger rubber band. So first you need to lay out your handkerchief like this. Then you fold these 2 in half. Then you fold it in half again. Then you put your 2 rubber bands on each side, like this. There, and the other one. Then you fold it in half lengthwise, like this. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Then there should be like a hole over here. You put this part inside. Or actually, this one's short, so I'm going to put it inside this one. And make sure to tuck it in deep so that it doesn't come loose. Then just pull the rubber bands to the side. Yeah. And then you have your mask. A DIY mask. And if you don't have time to do that and you need to go outside urgently, for girls, you can, if you have this hairband on you, I'll just take this off. You can just pull it down like this, and then it's kind of a mask. For extra layers, you can also put another handkerchief inside. Just fold it up, and you can put it inside for extra protection. So that's how you make a mask. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.